I'm going to teach you how to enter handwritten checks in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're handling finances for your small business, managing personal accounts, or working in a larger corporate office, entering checks efficiently into QuickBooks is crucial for accurate bookkeeping. First, access QuickBooks Online by clicking on the Sign In button. Once you're on the Sign In page, choose the QuickBooks Online option. This will direct you to the proper login screen where you'll type in your credentials, enter your email address and password, then press Continue to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, look at the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online interface. You'll find a button labeled New. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several transaction types. From here, select the check option. This opens a screen where you can input all the details of your handwritten check. Next, fill in the required information. Start with the payee, which is the person or entity to whom you've written the check. Make sure the correct payee is listed to keep your records accurate. If it's a new payee, QuickBooks will guide you through adding their details. After entering the payee, select the bank account from which the check was issued. You'll see a drop-down menu for your bank accounts. Choose the one that corresponds to the check. This ensures the correct account balance is adjusted. Now, add the item or category for the check. This step is key to keeping your books organized, as it helps track where your money is going. Choose the appropriate category from the drop-down list that matches the purpose of your payment, whether it's office supplies, a utility bill, or any other expense. Selecting the correct category is essential for accurate financial reporting. Once you've categorized your check, enter the amount in the designated field. This step ensures your financial records align with your actual bank statements. Finally, review all the details to make sure everything is accurate. Then click Save and Close. This finalizes the check entry and updates your QuickBooks records. And just like that, you've successfully entered a handwritten check into QuickBooks Online. Following these steps helps maintain financial accuracy and keeps your accounting organized. Practice makes perfect, so the more you do it, the quicker and easier it will become. Thank you for joining me today, and happy bookkeeping.